sitting right there. We got two. There's three. Third one just went that way. I'm standing right there. Come on, walk in this open spot right here. Come on, one more step. I think I destroyed the meat on that one. No, I shot that one's head off too. Okay. The meat is good. Well, that's insane. Two headshot. I've never shot a grouse's head off. I've done it twice in 2 days. Got him. We got him. We got him. Woo! We got another. All right. We got him. Smoked it. Oh, not a very good shot though. I think I destroyed the meat. There it is. Another head gone. Man. We got another. We got another one. Got him. I got him through that little opening right there. We just got our limit. We just got our limit. Look at the opening I got him through. That little tiny opening right here. I thought he went more to the left, but he was over to the right. I literally, oh man, that was fucking exciting. Like this little tiny opening right here. Woo! There's another one that just flew in the tree. We're going to get that one now. Another one just flew right in that tree up there. There it goes. My camp is like right up here. All that driving and there's grouse right here. We got one. There's another one up in that tree though. See if I can find her. Oh shit, there's one right there. We got 2 there. We got 2. There's a 3rd one in here somewhere. Another one. I almost had 3 in one go there. We got 1. All that driving, and I got 2 right by my... Look, where I'm parked. That's where I shot 2 the other day. My tent's like right up there. All right. Fuck, it's right there. There's another one. There's another one flying right over there. We're gonna go try and get that one too. Please don't hit my truck. Don't worry, gun's safe. My shell messed up. It wouldn't shoot. I had to reload it back in. But we got it.
Oh yeah.
It's pretty much.
Nice.
That's where I was aiming. I fucking.
Nice.
There we go.
Fucking beautiful.
There we go. I could aim just a touch higher, I think.
It's weird. As soon as you catch up to her, you see your ear flick a couple times and she's done.
Yeah, that was
It's
fucked up.
almost like the hay, I'm right here.
We got ourselves a grouse.